Today I get to visit the Volkswagen assembly plant in Chattanooga, Tennessee. I'm meeting with Kaye today, who is with the environmental department of Volkswagen, and I get to see where the ID4 is assembled and learn about some of their sustainability projects.
Okay, we're gonna go right in here to security and check in, and then we're gonna go have some fun.
Oh, sounds good. Presented by Volkswagen, my official EV sponsor. Oh, wow. Hey, this is huge.
So this is our solar field. This is part of the Volkswagen commitment to sustainability and as part of the plant's goal to reduce emissions and waste and water and energy use. The panels provide about 10 to 12% of the energy in the plant on any given day. And then on the weekends, it provides all of the energy for the plant.
So I hear you have sheep out here?
Yes, we do. They're our lawnmowers.
Oh my gosh, your lawnmowers. I love that. Hi. Hi.
Well, the sheep actually are here. There's about 50 of them, and their purpose is to eat the grasses and trim them down. And so that makes us not have any CO2 from lawn mowing.
Oh, yeah.
And then at the same time, they're fertilizing it. And their hooves actually break up the ground a little bit more so that water will drain and not run off and create erosion. And that keeps the mud and the silt from running off into our wetlands.
And you have wetlands on your Volkswagen property here?
We do. We have a protected wetlands. It's one more commitment to the environment, and it's pretty cool. You want to see it?
I would love to see it.
Okay, let's go. About 10 years ago when we first built the plant, we committed to preserving the wetlands that were on site and conserving a lot of the land.
Wow, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love it.
Over time, we've allowed it to expand, and so it's gone from 44 acres to 88.
And look at all the life out here now. I mean, you can hear it, see it.
It makes you proud to work here, to know that they care.
My trip has been amazing. I've seen such a diversity of wonderful community projects, environmental projects. I'm just really inspired by Volkswagen and what they're doing to inspire both themselves and others to follow their lead in combining community, business, and care for outdoors together. And I think that's what's going to drive change and make us all drive bigger.